Welcome to my channel CSC Education. Myself Subhendu Kumar Dani, lecturer in mathematics. Today I am discuss integration by substitutions. 2. Integration of dx by ax plus b. So this value equals to 1 by a ln of ax plus b plus c. Again, prove this formula. So now given value dx by ax plus b. So put ax plus b equals to t. Suppose t is a function of x, that means derivative both sides with respect to x. So it is the value a equals to dt by dx. Similar way, this implies that dx equal to here dt by a. Okay, substitute this value in the integrated value. So here now dt by a, that means 1 by a by ax plus t here t. So 1 by a ln t plus of c. Here now put the value ln t. T is the value ax plus c plus c. Okay. Now another formula is integration sine of a x plus b of dx equals to minus 1 by a sine ax plus b plus c. In the previous two, similar way ax plus b, the putting the value, the substitutions in the given integral, we get the results. Cos of ax plus b x equals to 1 by a, sorry, this value is cos x, cos of this, sine of ax plus b plus c. Now 5. Integrations of sec square ax plus b is equal to 1 by a tan of ax plus b plus c. 6th one, sec of ax plus b in a multiplied of tan of ax plus b of dx equals to 1 by a sec of ax plus b plus c. 7. Cosec square ax plus b of dx equal to minus 1 by a cot of ax plus b plus of c. 8. Integrations of cosec ax plus of b into cot of ax plus b of dx equals to minus 1 by a cosec ax plus b plus c. 9. Integration of e to power ax plus b of dx equals to 1 by a e to power ax plus b plus c. Answer. Question number 2. e to power 2x plus 3 x. Question number 3. Suppose sec square 3x plus 4 of dx. Question number 4. 1 divided by 2x minus of 7 dx. Question number 5. Integrations sine of 2x dx. Okay. Firstly, this question 1. Integration 2x minus of 3 power 4 of dx. In this question, putting the by the integration substitutions, so power factor in the bracket value, suppose put here 2x minus 3 equals to t. Now this implies t is a function of x. So here the dt by dx both sides, d by dx both sides, the value is 2 dt by dx. This implies that 2 dx equals to dt. This implies that dx equals to dt by 2. Put this value here. So this value equals to t to power 4 dt by 2. So 1 by 2 is the common factor. T to power 4 dt in the integration power formula. So 1 by 2 t to power 4 plus of 1 by 4 plus of 1 plus c. This value equals to 1 by, this value is 5, 1 by 2 into 5 value is 10, 1 by 10 t to power 5 plus of c equals to 1 by 10. T value is here 2x plus minus of 3 to power 5 plus c. Your answer. Okay. I will go to question number 2. Integration e to power 3x plus b suppose of dx. Now put here 3x plus b equals to t. T is a function of x. Now dt d by dx both sides, so we get 3 equals to dt by dx. This implies 3 dx equals to dt. So dx equal to dt by 3. Now put this value here, e to power t dt by 3 of integration 1 by 3 e to power t dt. In the integration e to power t, which is e to power t 1 by 3 multiple of this factor plus c. So 1 by 3 e to power t factor here 3x plus of t plus of c, your answer. Suppose integration of x square 7x minus of 5 of dx. By the trigonometry substitution, here trigonometry value. So now in the bracket factor 7x minus of 5 equals to t. This implies t is a function of x. So d by dx both sides. So value is here 7 equals to dt by dx. This implies here dx equals to dt by 7 now. So this factor equals to integration of sec square. Okay, sec square is a t dt by 7. So 1 by 7 integration sec square of t dt. Now this value equals to 1 by 7. Sec square integration is 10 of t plus c equals to 1 by 7. 10 of 7x minus of 5 plus c, your answer. In this way, integration substitution method are applied. Okay.